what's up guys, it's kshitij Light here and welcome to a light tutorial. Today we're talking about how to nail that cinematic look on iMovie. Let's head right to the intro. Well, yeah, we got a new intro, but now let's head over to what this video is really about. Making that cinematic effect on iMovie is not that hard. It's really easy and you will be able to do it after watching this video. So if you actually watch this entire video, then your video will turn out to be something like this. Okay, now let's get to the important part, how you can do it. I'm gonna divide getting that cinematic look into two parts. One is gonna be color grading and the other one black bars. So the first step being color grading. What is color grading? How can you do that on iMovie? So this is a clip 8 seconds long, and I think this is perfect for showing you how you can color grade your video. So I'm just going to take this part of the clip, and now let's get over to this, which looks like a palette, and that is the color grading symbol. So the first step you want to do is just adjust your contrast, increase your contrast as much as you want, because it gives this effect, which I really like. Decreasing the contrast will do a huge amount of damage to your clip, so increasing is a lot better. But don't increase it all the way up to here, because your subject won't be looking good enough, so I'm just going to keep it around that. If I reset that, this looks better than this. This looks flat. So once I've increased it, I'm just going to increase the darkness a bit. So usually they take it all the way here. Don't do that. Just increase the darkness, increase the brightness. Now it's well in balance. Try to keep your subject bright and the background dark. Okay, that's what you're trying to do while color grading. The next is saturation. You can adjust your saturation. I usually take it all the way up. But when you're using the color grading feature on portraits, your portrait won't be as good if you turn it all the way up. So around this much is good. I turned it all the way up. Now you can see there's a lot of blue going on here, and that's what I'm going to try to reduce with the temperature. I'm going to turn it close to the orangish tint, which keeps both of them in balance, because if you turn it all the way blue, the blue is the main color. You don't want that to happen. Usually you just keep them in good balance. That's the importance of color grading in your video. Next step, black bars. For black bars you have two options. Either make black bar openings, which is moving black bars, or you can just keep the black bars stable. I'm gonna go with the moving black bars option, since that's what I did in the video you watched in the beginning. To do that, you're gonna go to Keynote. Now once you're on Keynote, I've actually done everything beforehand. Just gonna show you how it is. So this is your empty black slide. Now I'm just gonna change the color all the way to green. Once you've changed the color to green, take a square, put it right over there, cover half the screen with the square, and then change the square's color to black. Right now it's a rectangle, so I'm just going to call it a rectangle. Now once it's black in color, Command C, Command V, which is copy and paste. right under the square. So once you've got this square, the second square, keep it under the first rectangle. Select any of the rectangles, go to animate, action, add an effect, move, change. As you can see, there's a red line here. Put it all the way here. Yeah, as you can see, this clip moves forward until it reaches here. Look at that. So you've got to pull it upwards, okay, and then build order after transition. Now head over to the second clip, action, same thing, but do the same thing downwards. Build order with build one. Now all you gotta do is screen record your animation. Okay, so you gotta screen record your animation, then get it back to iMovie. Now once you're in iMovie, you've got both your clips, the screen recording of the black bars and a color graded clip. Now that I've had my color grading clip here, I'm just gonna go to this clip of black bars and split this clip, which is Command B at the starting point and the ending point, and I'm gonna take this clip and place it on top of my already color graded clip. Now why do you do this? The black bars, that's why you do this, for the black bars. Now once you're on top, screen overlay settings, that's this, go here, green or blue screen, and then it's done. That's it, and that's all for how to get that cinematic effect on iMovie. I hope your videos look a lot cinematic after you watch this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and you might wanna click that thing right there, that red thing. Yeah, you might wanna click that. If you've done that already, comment down below on what device are you using iMovie. Your MacBook Air, your MacBook Pro, iMac. Just comment down below. Thanks for watching. Let's head to the outro.